Does your mobile phone, laptop, tablet, television, and car windscreen become unclean? With fingerprints, dirt, smudges, and germs, using some products can damage your screen and your touchscreen sensitivity. The solution? The original TinyPad, reusable antimicrobial screen cleaning pad. TinyPad attaches to the back of your mobile. Simply peel off and clean your screen of smudges. When you're finished, re-stick it to the back and it's ready to be used again. Buy a TinyPad for your tablet or laptop and get visual clarity back so you can use your apps, games and social media with a clear screen every time. Clean your TV and your monitors again and again. Simply attach the re-stickable side to your device, ready to be used again. Every car needs a TinyPad. Remove smudges, fingerprints, and bacteria from your satellite navigation, rearview mirrors and in-car entertainment, even the windscreen. See everything clearly and keep bacteria in check with TinyPad AntiMicrobial Screen Cleaning Pad. Buy yours at tinypad.co.uk.